This brand is a private label brand made for the EverRest Group by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited. The units are sold through dealers in the USA and feature smart shift technology where the refrigerant pressures are reduced prior to entering and exiting the defrost mode, which makes less noise and minimizes the wear and tear on the reversing valve. The units have a factory-installed filter dryer to protect the refrigerant system from the effects of moisture, but they use R410A refrigerant, which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. The heat pumps have a louvered metal exterior to protect the coil from debris thrown by a lawnmower or from hail, and a specially designed top to minimize noise. They have a compressor sound blanket for quieter operation, and they are also backed by a very good warranty, including a lifetime total unit replacement guarantee if the compressor fails. The GSCH5 units are basic heat pumps, while the GSCC7 models are a good option in the premium category as they have all the normal features, plus they have the ability to communicate with the other parts of the home's heating/cooling systems to maximize efficiency. They also have a 2-speed condenser fan for less noise and better efficiency. The GSCV9 is an ultimate heat pump with a variable speed compressor and fan motor for quiet, efficient operation. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.